to another episode of the Rad Skate Park check-in across New York City. I am Vincent Basile, I'm your host. We have Anthony Biondo behind the lens and my good friend Tristan Maldonado. Right now, we are in Manhattan. We finally got out of the Bronx. We arrived at Pier 25 Skate Park, also known as Tribeca. This is episode 39. Let's go show you what this park has to offer. Come on. We got a nice, beautiful fall day. We got the Freedom Tower right there. We got great scenery at the skate park. The water's nice, the environment is nice, the skate park is nice. Our first feature is this curved ledge, but literally every time I've been here, this is where everyone sits down. So get a good look. On an empty day, you might skate this, but more than likely, you're not. So check out this rad seating area. Check this little garden out. This little planter box ledge goes all the way around. You got a ledge here with a bank. This side of the ledge, you have a bank, you have a hubba. Big round handrail, 5 block attached to another hubba. You gotta have some pop to get up here. You could work your way into the park from this bank or this ledge, or if you want to take this route where this A-frame ledge is right here. There's a quarter pipe right there, guys. I like how it's like small right here and then it's like a little bit bigger here. It's more vert though, it's verted. It's kind of all crammed together. So it's not really a big skate park. They got a lot of features, but it's just crammed together. Here's more ledges, manual pad, fun box, a little gap that's attached to this hubba. You're good, bro. What's up, man? How you doing? Chilling? Word up. This is a little out of the box. This was built more like street marble ledge. It's all waxed up. People are hitting these ledges. Everywhere you look, there's a ledge. Who knows what could be done? We'll see what the day brings. Here's the back end of the park where we have this nice bank section with another big planter ledge. This one's square, and the bank goes all the way down to that feature over there. The back part of Pier 25, Tribeca. Yo, we in the back. We in the back of Tribeca. This is where you stand. You could skate it, but this is where you're like taking off. Tell him. The runway, son. He's gone. That's my man. He said this is the takeoff zone. Don't front. But you could use it as a bank. Whatever you want, I don't care. If you're afraid of everything that we've shown you and you're a beginner, make your way back here. Take a look at this little curb ledge and this little bank. It doesn't get any smaller than this. Beginners, look at this. This is right up your alley. And actually, I like that little ledge. Attached to this ledge, I like that. Hang out back here, I guarantee you no one's gonna bother you here. And you're gonna learn. Back part of Pier 25. And look at this tree. Hello, tree. We got my man, Alec. Say what's up.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good. I've been coming here for like 3 years now.
Nice. Oh, wow. What?
What a coincidence.
Check it out, guys. All right, moving forward. Thank you, Alec. You're the man. We gotta show you this bank, the ledge that's attached to a hubba with a 3 stair down there and a little tiny Euro. Guys, jam-packed 3 block, 4 block, and 2 block. From here, from the Euro. If you're not trying to hit the 4 block and you don't want to hit the 3 block, hit the 2 block or hit the 1 block. Eastwood block. Eastwood block, what's up, man? A-frame, and then they got this round rail, and then they got this gap transfer, bank to bank. You don't see that in every park. Like I said, guys, it's super small. I could see it getting crowded really fast. You could already see a lot of scooters in here.
Probably a good warm-up spot.
Yeah,
if there's like no one here.
Probably not gonna stay here all day.
Quick session and then go to the street spots at the next park.
Yeah, you come here, get your warm-up tricks in. Definitely shred here, put in some work. Variety of features here. It's kind of got everything in here. So let's see what we could produce. Let's skate. Let's see what kind of clips we got for you guys today. Hopefully we remember how to skateboard. It's been like 2 months. Let's get it. What? It's gonna make me nicer,
yes,
bro. More control, bro. Relax yourself.
Are they different sizes?
He was like, are those kids' trucks?
You see what happens when you try to help?
Wow. Oh. Whoa. Reporter's worst nightmare. Ground report today, no complaints, smooth. The ground here is good. I didn't hit one rock, I didn't hit one twig. A+. Hey, look who it is. Alec, back in action. Tristan! Hey! All right, we're getting out of here.
Tristan killed it today.
Yeah, good job to Tristan.
Good job.
MALDONADO. I don't even know what I did.
Yo, and the guy behind the camera was skating too. Y'all just couldn't see that.
Word. Yeah.
Film his job, his camera shot. Hey ladies.
Tribeca skate park, Pier 25. Had a lot of fun here. We hit. Yeah, we showed you the park. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. You can catch us on Facebook and Instagram at Rad Boardsport Co. You can check out our website at www.radboardsport.co.
Shout out to Alec.
Shout out to Alec. He actually came back. The Romy kid, Rami the kid. I believe it's Rami the kid. I could double check real quick, verify I could say it right on Instagram. Shout out to you, man. You were rad. All right, we had a rad day. We're signing out. Don't forget to take your trash out of the park, and don't forget to ride all day.
So I'm not new to this, I'm true to this. It's so beautiful.